Hi, I got my Orchis Volkswagen seat covers and lamination done at Orchis in Vikhroli. The workmanship is excellent. I've been coming here for nearly 2 decades now for all my cars, and I would strongly recommend them for any car enthusiast who wants to get their work done. Thank you.